What is up, everyone? This is Motorolz, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening or turning on your Windows desktop. So let's get right into this. So if you're basically trying to use Google Chrome and it's not opening up, there's a few ways to fix this. So the easiest thing to do is to go to your search bar and type in Google Chrome until you see it pop up. Right click into this and do Open File Location. In here, you want to now find Google Chrome again and right click into it again and go to Open File Location, because it initially showed you the actual shortcut, not where Chrome itself is. All right, so now we see chrome.exe over here. So we're going to do one of two things. First, we're going to change the name of this, so you can just right click into this and do rename right here, and then just change it to Old Chrome. And then once you do that, you're going to right click into it again and do basically paste a shortcut, or just copy paste it as well. Again, either or. You can do send to and then send it to desktop, or just do create shortcut and then just create a shortcut to desktop, or again copy paste it. But I would recommend doing the right click, create shortcut, and then creating a new shortcut to desktop, and then open Chrome up from there. Once you do that, you should be good to go. You should not have any errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are enjoying the video, please thumbs up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm not Motorolz out. Peace.